Hello guys, welcome back. Today's class we have to learn how to read an inside micrometer. This micrometer is used to measure the internal diameter of equipment, of material, example pipes. You can also use it to get your DBSC, the distance between shaft end on pump alignment process, even a mechanical seal. You can use it to get the internal diameter of precision material equipment. So now, in order to know how to read this thing, it is important you know what these values stands for. For example, this equipment, this is what we call the parts of this equipment. This one is the anvil. It's called anvil, which is ANVIL. That's the anvil. And this one is the timber scale. This is your timber scale. This is your timber scale. You can roll it. This is your timber scale. THIMBLE is a timber scale. And this equipment, this tool, it's a precision tool, has a range of 50 to 63. What this implies is that if you close it, because you can roll it, if you close it, after closing it, you will not see these graduations inside. What you will have is 50, which means from here to this place, to this anvil, is 50. Having closed it, then on this part, you also have an anvil. This is an anvil too. This one is 13. You see, you can see 13 over there. Okay. This 13 you can see here. Okay. This 13 is from here, from the anvil, up to this point is 13. So if you are taking your total measurement, it will be from here, from this anvil to the next anvil. That is your total measurement. For example, you can use a vinyl caliper to check it. You get it. But however, now we want to know what is the total dimension. So if we want to calculate this, we'll say from this is 13. We say 13 plus 50. 50. 13 plus 50. And now this graduation you can see on this slip scale. The way we read this one is 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. That's 5 millimeters. It's very important to know. And this range you can see over here tells you that this tool you can lose it up to 13. The total dimension inside is 13 mm. So 13 plus 50 is 63. That's where you get the 63. While on the timber scale, the total length of this timber scale is can we take a look at it to confirm it ourselves? Okay, is 50. It's 50, but you won't call it 50. It's 0 because the graduation is 0.01, which means from here to here, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04. You understand? So you will not read it anti-clockwise. You read it clockwise. I'm just using this as an illustration. So if you are reading it, this is 0.05. Then that is 10. You will not call it 10. It will be 0.10, which is 0.10, 0.15, 0.10, 0.15, 0.20, 0.25, 0.30, 0.35, 0.40, 0.45. So now, if we are taking the reading of this, of what we've just measured, the reading we have here right now, we already have 13 plus 50 plus 0. Now, okay, take a look at it. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5. We have 8.5. So 50 plus 50 plus 13 plus 8.5 plus 8.5. 50 plus 13 plus 8.5. Now it does not coincide. It does not coincide, but it has already passed the from the sleeve line. The sleeve scale line has already passed on the timbo scale. It has already passed 0.30, and we have 0.31, and it does not coincide. So we can represent this as 0.31 plus 0. Okay, it is coinciding. Wow, it's coinciding. It has coincided with 0.32. 0.32 plus 0.32. So if you add all together, it will give you a value. So that is how to read your inner micrometer screw. That is how to read your inner micrometer, or inside micrometer. Don't forget, this part is the locking screw. If you use this screw, you lock it, it will not move anymore. And we also have the sleeve and the sleeve scale. This is the most how do I put it? It's a bit it's very important for you to understand this part of it, because this one is 0.01, not 1, 2, 3 to 50. Is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04 to 50. That is how you calculate it. Now let us use this one as an example. I will come back to that, but for the sake of my camera that is on, I don't want to put it off. Let me use this one that I already did before now. Just take a look at this. You see, 50 plus 7.5 plus 0.40. If you can look at the 7.5 here, this is your 7.5. Then it is coinciding at 40, which is 0.40, which is equal to 59.0. That is the total length from anvil. If you are taking your measurements, remember your measurement should be from anvil to anvil. You can sometimes, if you are in doubt, you can use tape. You can use your millimeter tape to check. You find out that your millimeter tape will be close to where you are going to. You can see the millimeter tape from this end is giving me about 70. So if we want to calculate this, you will see how I will calculate it on my next video. Just keep following.